Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the traction control fuse is located, which fuse you need to check. It could be up to 3 different fuses, 2 of those are special. Okay, stay with us, we're going to talk about that, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So the traction control, guys, fuses, where they're located, we'll demonstrate on 2010 Honda Accord. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes. The first fuse box that we need to check will be on the inside. We're going to come to the driver's side under the dash there, guys. If you look upside down above the pedals, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. This is on the driver's side, guys. Now here, before we guys actually continue, let's first cover why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So we need to check one fuse here, and then we'll go to another fuse box and check 2 more fuses. Here you have numbers next to the fuses, and the fuse that we'll need to check is fuse number 6, guys. Fuse number 6, 7.5 amp fuse. You will need to check that one here. Now if we close that fuse box, we're going to open the hood on that Honda Accord, and if you open the hood, that's the cover here. Open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one here. Now here, guys, we need to check special fuses. We're talking about check this fuse right here, that's known as a multi-block fuse. That fuse consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 individual fuses. You have another one right here that consists of 8 of them. Those are multi-block fuses, and they can be, guys, okay, really expensive. Let us show you what they look like. That's the fuse, guys, on top, that's on the sides, you can see. Okay, and if one of those fuses bursts, you have to replace the whole fuse. That's the bad news. Good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it at a good price and quick shipping. The fuses that we need to check for the traction control now, if we come, guys, in that fuse right there, okay, that fuse right here, and we're going to count fuse number 1, 2, that 40 amp fuse, and fuse number 3. Fuse number 2 and 3 in that section, guys, that will be the ones that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.